What's up? So today we're showing the top best jailbreak tweets for iOS 11, 12, and 13 of the 13.4.1. The first tweet is called Camera Plus, and this is a tweet that it's a tool that brings iPhone 11 Pro Max features to an older device. It's called Blur Wall, and basically it's a blur wallpaper. So that's pretty cool. This is called Emoji Attributes and various under the hood fixes for emoji display. This is called Dynamic Wallpaper 2 iPad. So basically this tweak, it's a dynamic wallpaper for your iPad. This tweak is called Pencil Pro, and basically it's Apple Pencil can do better. This is called Saver Battery tweak. Basically helps you save your battery life and more. So you can see right there, you have Enable Saver B, Fake Battery Percentage, Show Battery Percentage, and yeah, helps save your battery as much as possible. It prevents background apps from updating, prevents your Wi-Fi from searching in the background, always low power energy on disable some animations, increases time to refresh actions, stops Siri in the background. So basically just a bunch of ways to help save your battery. This is called Falza Compiler, and basically it's also mobile substrate tweak. So it's a tweak that can compile packages with Falza made for people who code on smartphones. It's a button called Compile which appears with Falza text editor. So you can compile it as soon as you press the button, enter the path to the package. So after you compile, you can restart the application, respring or unit cache. So pretty cool. This is called Debugify. It's iOS 13 internal tool activator. So this tool only works on iOS 13 devices. Do not attempt to run on iOS 12 and below. So scrolling down, it's internal settings installer. Apple Terminal is purged on non-Checkra1n devices, and therefore it should not be used on such devices. So Apple has legal rights to be treated to Apple. I'm not responsible for the files being disrupted or destroyed while using this tool, and while they shouldn't cause harm the way they should, while the way they use them, if dependent on yourself. So some screenshots of the tweak. This is called PWBTN, and it's a tweak that allows you to access power options with a single tap on the status bar. So pretty cool. So you can respring and lock your devices on home screen. You can switch the button display by tapping the status bar once. And you have these functions right here. This is called Phone Caller 3, and basically this brings the functionality of displaying live caller ID before answering. So it has uses 5 different databases, which is combined over 6 billion records worldwide. It does give you 2-day trials. You can test it out, and if you like it, just pay, it's $5 or $4.99. So it's definitely a really cool tweak. If you just want to know who's calling you, or look at someone's name or number to see who's trying to call you, then this is a perfect tweak. So you can identify unknown callers. You have various search engines, system-wise integrations. You have offline mode, in-call buttons, search history, multi-language support, open for developers. And you have lifetime support, so you just go to their Discord to get support. I am going to make a video on this. It'll be out really soon, so if you're interested, you go check out that video. Next is called Ventana. It's a modern lock screen inspired by Windows 10. So pretty cool. So we're going to scroll down to what it looks like, and yes, that's your lock screen. I think it's made by Coolstar. Yeah, Coolstar. So this is actually one of my favorite tweets by him. I think it just looks really, really amazing. It's called Clear Folder 13. It's also a mobile substrate tweak to clear folder background blur. This is called Auto Redial. Disable tweak to auto redial call till it connects. So pretty cool. Tired of redialing when the user is continually busy. So this allows you to automatically redial the call until you get connected. This is called Vignole, and basically brings a clean, simple look at the lock screen music player and allows you to select the slow progress bar, volume bar, or both. Toggle visibility of the connectivity button, adjust the player's background opacity incrementally, and change the color of the player's text and controls in black and white. So really, really cool. This is called Float Lyric XI, and basically with this tweak, it's going down. It's a you see your your music. So basically it's like your music is floated. So your lyrics are floating. This is called iPhone 11 Custom Wallpaper, and it's a dynamic iPhone 11 Custom Live Wallpaper. So pretty cool. This is called No Store Banner, and basically it hides / removes open app banners on Safari. Chapters, and basically label your pages.